All right. Huzaifa says, after a prospect replies to a cold email, when you send a message reception confirmation email, yes. Then you ask for the service area, yes. After asking for the service area, did you directly ask them to book a call to review the listing, or is there another confirmation message after the reply? Yeah, we send an acknowledgement that the service area uh, um, radius was received. And then we tell them we're going to follow up with you as soon as the listing's ready for review. So yeah, again, it's all automated, right? So once they reply, and I just covered this in the mastermind like 2 weeks ago, where I showed we've got two versions of the automations, one with the AI integration and one without. The one with the AI integration is 100% automated. The ones without the AI integration, it's semi-automated in that when they reply with their service area radius, it sends a notification that a reply has been received. It sends a notification to you, the high-level account owner, right? That then you go in and retrieve the service area radius and update that custom field in the contact record. Then there's an automation that is waiting for the trigger point is the service area radius custom field is not empty. That's the trigger. Custom field for service area radius condition is not empty. You see what I'm saying? That's the trigger. So when you extract from the replied message from the contact, it says 10 miles or 15 miles or 5 miles, whatever their service area radius is, in the non-AI version of the automation, there's a notification from high level sent via SMS and email to you that says contact replied to service area radius request, update the contact record. And so it prompts you to then go in to high level, extract the message, see it'll tell you, 15 miles, 10 miles, whatever it is that they said. And you just update that field. And when you click save, that automatically adds them into the next sequence, which acknowledges that the service area radius was received and tells them that they're going to contact them in a day or two or whatever it is when your listing is ready for review. So yeah, again, there's additional communication in that sequence. Automated 100% with AI, semi-automated without AI.